President Geingob declared a state of emergency in March, just after the country recorded 3 COVID-19 cases and introduced strict measures to contain the virus. These include closing of borders and schools, as well as limiting the number of gatherings and business operating hours. The measures seem to have paid off in the first 2 months, as the Health Ministry also intensified COVID-19 surveillance. The country went into full lockdown after confirmed cases rose to 11 and then to 16 between the 1st to the 5th of April.
Can you imagine if it is going to reach our informal settlements, our rural areas? How are we going to control it? So we must therefore take drastic actions now. That will be difficult, but we must take them. The Cabinet this morning met and decided that there must be a lockdown.
No new infections were reported between 6th of April and 20th of May, resulting in government's gradual reopening of social and economic activities. But after that period, a notable increase in cases continued, with Walvis Bay becoming the epicenter of the pandemic. This resulted in the local authority areas of Walvis Bay, Swakopmund, and Arandes being put under special dispensation under Stage 1 and cut off from the rest of the country. The sudden increase was attributed to cross-border infections among the truckers and subsequent cluster transmissions among the locals.
So the situation is very serious. We said the priority we have is the health of our people. That's a priority number one.
At the end of July, the total COVID-19 cases had risen to 2,129, spread across the different regions. In August, however, the cases dropped in Erongo but spiraled upward in Thomas, prompting the entire country's reverting from Stage 4 to Stage 3 of the state of emergency. The trend continued as for the period from the 2nd to 12th of September, Thomas recorded 897 new cases, while Erongo only had 181 cases. The downward trend seen at the 3 local authorities of Walvis Bay, Swakopmund and Arandes resulted in the lifting of travel restrictions in and out of those towns on the 11th of September. However, the travel restrictions for Windhoek, Ogahanja and Rehoboth were announced on the same day. Last week, President Geingob extended the state of emergency regulations for a period of 5 days. The state of emergency, which is lapsing tomorrow, can only be extended by Parliament. Blanche Koreses, NBC News, Windhoek.